Hello, guys. Today, I will introduce free text-to-speech AI tools from Google AI Studio. This model working like an ElevenLabs. One thing different, this model completely free. Let's look how it's work. First, go to Google AI Studio. Click Generate Media section on left panel. Select Gemini Speech Generation Model. First seen dialog screen, but we don't use it. We need monolog, so select Single Speaker Audio. And then select your voice from right panel. Too many options in there. Click Play, Listen Model, and select your voice. Write your text in here. And lastly, click to run. It is take time up to you text length. When Generate done, voice automatically start to play. If you like, click Download and use where you want, or select Other Voice and rerun model. If you first time have been in this channel, you must check out my other videos. Like it, hit that subscribe button, and see you in next video.
Hello guys, today I will introduce Google AI Studio Generate Speech from Text Model. This model completely free to use.